everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Ninja Foodi, which is an extra large Pro Air oven. We got this during the holidays and we cannot wait because the one we have is quite small. So we want to upgrade our toaster oven, and so that we don't always have to use our major oven in the house, so that we're not using as much energy. So let's see what's included in this item. So we have the main oven itself, which is an 1800 watt Food extra large Pro Air oven. It has two sheets, the pans. It has one air fry basket. It also comes with two wire racks, one roast tray. It also comes with a removable crumble tray, and then I believe it has a chef created recipe book. So I will show you what they all look like as I unbox this. All right, so we're now going to open up our Foodi here and let's see what's included. So it has the cookbooks, as mentioned earlier. So here is a nice, handbook on the different recipes that you could cook in your Ninja oven. It also comes with the owner's guide on how to use it, how to care for it. It comes with the trays that you can put inside to cook different style of dishes. So there is one of the dishes. It looks like it's the roasting dish. It's nicely packaged, so nothing got damaged inside. There is another roasting dish. So it's nice because the one we have only has one, and we clean it as much as we can. We also cover it with the aluminum tin foil, and we try to preserve it, but unfortunately over time it just had so much wear to it that some parts just don't want to clean. So it's nice to have this upgrade. It's going to give us options to cook other dishes that we couldn't cook in our smaller toaster oven. Here is the roasting tray, so it gives you a guide on how to use it and to reduce smoke, which is nice because unfortunately when we purchased our home, our vent is not a real one, so we open the windows to circulate the air, but it's nice that this will do that for us as well. And then now we're going to pull out the main oven itself. So it's not too bad. It's a little heavy, but it's manageable to carry and move around wherever you need it. So I've unboxed the main oven out of the packaging, and let's see what's inside. So all of the buttons are indicated for power and temperature and timer are all here on the handle, which is nice. So it has all of these fantastic trays inside, so you can cook multiple dishes. That's another thing that I didn't have in my smaller toaster oven, is that it was so small that I can only do sometimes one dish at a time. So this one's going to give me so much opportunities to cook multiple dishes at once. It's going to be easy for me to clean. I don't always have to use all of the trays, so that might reserve the oven to last longer, so that I could probably just use one at a time, and then once one is worn out, then I can go on and use the newer one. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this. It's a great upgrade from what we have at home as well. We don't always have to turn our main oven on and waste so much power. We only cook for 2 people, so it's a great small little appliance to have, and it gives me a lot of options. I can cook anything from roast chicken to potatoes. I can do some baking inside. It's also an air fryer, so it's going to make things nice and crispy and tasty. So I'm very excited to use this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. We focus on travel. We also focus on product reviews and unboxing like this one. And if you have anything you want us to look into and show you in the future, please send us a message. Until next time.